Hey everyone, Billy Folks here. Today, right now, I am on a 2024 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. I'm kind of lounging right now, showing you the amount of entertaining space inside this boat. That's one of my favorite parts about it. One of my other favorite parts about it is you can tell the sun is in my face right now. It has a massive bimini, and I don't like being in the sun when I'm not working, so shade is a big thing for me. But besides that, we have a very large Simrad display, a Fusion head unit. We checked all the boxes on this boat. It's Sea Ray blue on the exterior. We got the filler plates in for the tower, so it complements the blue between the top cap and all that good stuff, and of course the white tower as well. Pump out head, dune interior. We most likely have the bow filler cushion. I know we have both tables, the front one, or you can put it anywhere you'd like, but there's a white round one, then a nice teak table that typically goes back here. So again, 2024 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. Come by and see it soon.